So for 3.2, we'll be using a tool called configurations, and I'll let you read about that here. But basically what that's going to allow us to do is use a part as kind of a build template to construct other similar parts from. So like our 2x4 brick, we could make it into a 4x8 brick or a 10x12 brick or whatever size we want once we get these configurations done. And so what we need to do first is click the configuration panel icon on the right, and then click Configure Parts Studio. So I had already clicked that. Yours will look like this. We're going to click the configuration panel. Then we will select up here, I think it's under its configurations parts studio, the configure parts studio that will be there, and then your screen will look like this. So the next piece, now that we've got that menu up, is going to be to left click the configure features. We're going to select rows, and then we're going to click in the value area, and then the same thing with columns. So again, configure features. We're going to select the rows variable, and we want to configure the value. So the value has been added right there. See, the value 2 for rows. Then the next thing we're going to do is click the columns and click the value for that as well. So we've got two things that we can configure: how many rows and how many columns of these sort of studs that we want to have on a brick, or the size of our brick. And we can click done.